So welcome back to my channel, friends. On 8th and 9th I could not trade because I had some other work, but leaving that aside, we can predict what will happen on 12th of January by looking at the chart on 9th. 12th of January can be a trending day towards the upside, as I feel like that. So saying that, let us understand what could happen on 12th. So this is the chart of 9th January. We can see a falling market finally taking some support at around 25,623. The market tried to take some support around 653 to 665, but market again fell down, finally took a support at 25,621. So on Monday there can be two scenarios how market might go. We know that market doesn't repeat itself like the previous day. Previous day we have seen market making a huge green candle, then there was reversal. On 12th we can see there might be market will again show that market will fall down, and this will be a trap for the buyers who wanted to buy. So my assumption is that market might come down, the first candle might come down and take support at around 25,664 to 25,654. Market might come and take a support here and then falling down again. This fall will be a trap, showing that since it is in a falling trend, it might again fall down, but it will be a trap. Market will trap all the sellers over here and go up. So this is a scenario we have. The second scenario is that market might make a good green candle over here, and hence the market might make a green candle, show some resistance over here, and finally go up. See, we can see from the previous chart that there are too many stop losses present around this area, and this area, finally leading up to 26,000. So it's a high chance market might go up, but be careful of the trade in the morning, because there might be a good trap to buy and sell. So wait some time, see the opening candle, see how the market behaves in the first 15-30 minutes, and then take your trade. Some important levels will be 25,554, 25,664, and 25,623. If you see reversals around these three areas, you can go for upside. Thank you.